Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Infosys. Our analyst maintains buy on Infosys with a price target of Rs 2050. As pickup in recovery in financial services expected following the start of rate cut cycle in US. We expect 8% sales and 12% PAT CAGR over FY24 to 26. At current market price, the stock trades at 29.7 times its FY25 and 24.5 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on SBI. Our analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a price target of Rs 970. SBI is likely to sustain ROA of 1% and ROE of 16% in the near to medium term. Valuation are cheap as compared to ROE trajectory and growth despite outperform its private peer on most of the key matrices. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1.1 times its FY25 and 0.9 times its FY26 core book value estimates. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.